Hey guys, so we're going to go over Module 6 here in this video. So we're going to read Chapter 10, Cinema and Digital Arts, watch the lecture videos, and then take that quiz below by Sunday, June 26th before 11:30 p.m. And then there's an Edpuzzle video quiz on Citizen Kane. This is also due June 26th before 11:30 p.m. So you can see that here. Let's keep going through here. Read Chapter 11, watch the lecture videos, take the Chapter 11 quiz, and then complete the flyer design using Canva below. There's a tutorial video. You'll probably have to watch that if you've never used Canva before, and even if you have and have used it before, you probably should still watch the video. So definitely access that video before you even start the flyer design Canva assignment. It'll help you to better understand and complete the assignment correctly. Keep working on project number 2, public art project. It's due July 3rd before 11:30 p.m. It's also worth 15% of your overall grade for this course. Okay, so Chapter 10 PowerPoint, lecture videos, quiz, and then the Edpuzzle video on Citizen Kane. So you'll have to copy and paste this link into like a different tab in your browser window to access this Edpuzzle video quiz on Citizen Kane. Which is a movie from the 50s, or maybe it was the 40s, that was quite popular and is pretty famous. And then you'll have to log into Edpuzzle Video. If you haven't logged into Edpuzzle, it's pretty basic, straightforward process, just like logging into and setting up an account for anything else. The class code is right here, so you can copy and paste that. Once inside Edpuzzle, you may see some other quizzes, but they don't have any due dates. Just ignore those. Just make sure that you work on the Citizen Kane Edpuzzle video quiz. And do let me know if there are issues. Sometimes students have issues with it. Chapter 11, PowerPoint, lecture videos, quiz, and then the flyer design using canva.com. So you can read through this, figure out how to do that. I'm not going to do that in this video because I did make a video tutorial on how to design your flyer. So I highly suggest watching that video tutorial. That will help you a lot with this assignment. In fact, I would watch the video before even attempting the assignment and obviously read through what's required as well. So, and get that uploaded by June 26th before 11:30 p.m.